what's up guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna go to a Broke Boys meet. I'm just letting the ST warm up, and then I'm gonna go meet up with Espo's Finance right now, and then we're just gonna cruise over there. About to pull up to the Broke Boys meet on Kit Carson, so going there right now. We're only 4 deep, so not that much, but it's a small meet anyways. So we just got here right now. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars deep. And I didn't even know that he got a carbon fiber hood, but that shit looks sick. And then right here, I have these at the angle. It looks clean. Eric is high as fuck, like always. Damn. So this is gonna... This is the rear. He said he got a carbon... That ain't carbon, that's a wrap. What is that?
The cap.
The only thing he did get was Alcantara steering wheel.
Hey.
That shit looks sick.
Stop recording in here. That's VIP only.
VIP for who? Yeah, it's a pretty small meet. There is a R33 over there as well. It looks pretty sick. Carbon fiber trunk Evo 335. Then you got the R33. Super clean R33 right here. It's a V-spec. Right-hand drive.
Yeah. It'd be way cleaner if you could.
Yeah, I was gonna get like the polish one, but even that, I'm just
RB26, straight 6 single turbo.
I don't recall about the shock mounts or whatever.
Yeah, the hydraulics. So how much do you have?
So there's this one, then there's a twin turbo Kia Stinger. You get the Corvette C8. Clean. We got a single turbo, another straight 6. It's an SIL40, it looks like. Damn. This guy has a Borla exhaust on his C8. And then we have, I believe, a 32 right here. It's also clean as well, right-hand drive. Sue's garage. This is the whole lineup. Vagos brought the CAMMED out. Recently he just gapped a, I believe, 1,000 horsepower plus Trackhawk. Grand Sport. Damn Beastin, sleeper F-150 himself. Man, I haven't got any videos from you in a while.
I haven't been here.
I know, you've been working, right?
Yeah.
That's the last time I've heard of you.
I was like, where's this truck? Oh yeah, you're that guy. Like,
is that Duarte? Duarte in the Fiesta? Hey, what are you doing? You eating?
I'm here.
Oh, you eating right now? Okay, I don't want to bug you. Hey,
chilling,
it was
bro.
good seeing you.
Bro, hell yeah.
Hey, did you ever get that? Damn. Big turbo teggies? Fast boys or what? And my new hood. Well, not new, but painted, actually color matched hood is here. And the guy that actually did it also did the front bumper as well. I'll probably put his Instagram in the chat if you guys need any body work done. And he actually has a ST himself, which is pretty sick, but man, this is clean right here. It doesn't get any better than this, so. Alright guys, well, the hood is painted, color matched with the rest of the car. And honestly, I haven't had it matched since I literally bought the car because I crashed it with not even in a month. But here it is, and it feels so amazing to have it color matched.